Now, the first thing you want to do when making a badge is create your badge design. So I'm just using some origami paper and our circle cutter to cut out the perfect circle to fit in the badge maker. Once I have my circles, I'm then going to use some other paper to create some designs. Now it's time to start our badge making. Once you've assembled your badge maker following the instructions included in the box, it's going to look like this. So the important things to think about with the badge maker is firstly the handle. Now when you make your badges, you want to use a lot of downward pressure. So I like to pull on the handle and then push from above to get that pressure that's needed to crimp the metal of the badge together. The second thing to note is the plastic base of the badge maker, which slides across to the right and across to the left. Now, this part is very important in your badge making, and it's very important to note that you slide all the way to the right and all the way to the left. As you do this, you're going to see this top section here move slightly, and you'll also hear a click. And back the other way. So when you look at this top bit here, you might notice that the pins aren't aligned completely. So you might feel that you want to touch this top bit. But it's important that you don't touch this top bit at all while making your badges. The machine, that clicking noise that it makes, is the machine setting itself and lining it up perfectly for badge making. So the actual mechanism doing this is these pieces here at the back of the badge molds. So as they slide across, they're hitting this metal pin at the back and setting the badge maker up in the alignment that it needs to firstly press on your badge front and then secondly press on your badge back. So all you need to do is full slide to the left and full slide to the right. Now that we're full slid to the left, our first piece is ready to sit inside the recess and we can start our badge making. We start off with a metal badge top, which goes into the recess on the left-hand side. Place our design over the top of that, aligning it so that it's facing upwards, and then we want one plastic film sheet over the top of that. We slide our badge maker all the way to the right, hearing that click, and then we use that downward pressure in one motion to see our badges now housed in that top position of the badge maker. Our metal ring is in place on the right, and then we take our badge back, which in this case is a pin back. Now yours will be assembled, but just to show you, there's the back and the front. So we want the back side to be facing upwards, and then we're going to slide that mechanism all the way across to the left so it clicks, press down with the weight, and our badge is complete. For our mirror keyring, we have the plastic round part with the little loop that we need to slide into the gap on the right hand side. We need to peel the film off the mirror and place it face down within the plastic housing, followed by the double-sided foam that we stick to the mirror, and then we slide it under the badge and press down to be nice and secure on our badge front. Now we just add our chain and we have a lovely mirror keyring. Our ribbon brooch backs have a brooch back as well as a small plastic ring that clips into the brooch back. So you want the ring to be facing with the flat side up, and then we squeeze our badge into place, and now we can clip that onto our ribbon back, like so. Our bottle opener keyrings are quite big and chunky, and you'll see the little indent where you're going to attach the keyring. You need to take the metal ring out of the right hand side for the bottle opener, and we want to face that with that chunky bit where the keyring sticks out into the hole. Press down your back, and there you have your attached bottle opener, and we just need to add the keyring. And there you have it. Start experimenting and see what awesome badges you can come up with.